Stress, it's a word we're all too familiar with. But have you ever wondered how it truly impacts your life? We're living in an era where stress is as common as the air we breathe. It's in our commutes, our workplaces, our homes, and it even invades our sleep. The hustle and bustle of the 21st century has made stress an unwelcome yet persistent companion. This constant companion isn't just a nuisance, it can be a real health hazard. It can lead to physical ailments like heart disease and diabetes. It can also wreak havoc on our mental health, causing anxiety, depression, and even memory problems. The quality of our lives can diminish, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and out of control. But what if there were ways to combat this stress, to regain control and find inner peace? Let's find out. Enter mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR, a set of techniques that can help you manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Imagine a toolbox, but instead of hammers and screwdrivers, it's filled with methods to help you navigate through the stormy seas of stress. That's what MBSR essentially is. Developed in the late 70s by Jon Kabat-Zinn at the University of Massachusetts Medical School, MBSR combines mindfulness meditation and yoga to help individuals cope with stress, pain, and illness. The goal of MBSR is not to eliminate stress entirely, but to change our relationship with it. Instead of viewing stress as a relentless enemy, MBSR encourages us to acknowledge it as a part of life and to face it with compassion and understanding. By doing this, we can alleviate the negative effects of stress and cultivate a sense of peace and balance in our lives. So, how does it work? MBSR operates on the principle of mindfulness, which is the practice of focusing one's full attention on the present moment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. When you're mindful, you're not worrying about the future or regretting the past. You're simply existing in the now. MBSR techniques guide you towards this state of mindfulness. Some techniques may involve focusing on your breath, while others might ask you to pay close attention to the sensations in your body or the taste of your food. But don't worry, we'll delve deeper into these techniques in the upcoming parts of this video. The beauty of MBSR is its versatility and accessibility. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or a student cramming for exams, you can incorporate MBSR techniques into your daily routine. And the best part? No special equipment or fancy yoga studios are needed. Just you, your mind, and a willingness to explore the present moment. Ready to learn more? Keep watching. Before we delve into the techniques, if you're finding this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Engaging with our content not only supports our channel, but it also helps you stay connected with our series on stress reduction and emotional balance. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences, so don't forget to leave a comment. It's a great way to share insights and learn from others in our community. Now, let's get back to our topic. The first technique we'll explore is deep breathing, a simple yet powerful tool. This technique is a cornerstone of relaxation and can be used anytime, anywhere to reduce stress and regain your balance. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave, rolling in and out of a serene beach. To begin with deep breathing, first, find a comfortable position. It could be sitting down, standing up, or even lying flat. Once you're settled, close your eyes and focus on your natural breathing pattern. Don't try to change it. Just take a moment to become aware of your breath's rhythm. Now let's dive into the technique. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Allow your chest and lower belly to rise as you fill your lungs. Hold this breath for a count of 3. Then gently exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension as your breath leaves your body. Repeat this pattern for several minutes. Deep breathing works by sending signals to your brain to calm down and relax. This, in turn, slows your heart rate, reduces your blood pressure, and brings a sense of peace and tranquility. It's like giving your body a mini vacation from the stresses of the day. This technique is not just for stressful moments. Use deep breathing as a daily practice to start your day on a positive note, to help you focus before a big meeting, or to unwind before bed. It's a versatile tool you can use to improve not just your mental health, but your physical health too. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes, until eventually you'll find yourself automatically using deep breathing in response to stress. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use deep breathing, the more benefits you'll reap. So why not take a moment right now to take a deep breath in, hold it, and then let it go. Feel the calmness wash over you. And remember this feeling. It's always within your reach, just a few breaths away. Next up is the body scan meditation, a technique that allows you to tune into your body. Body scan meditation, a powerful tool in the realm of mindfulness-based stress reduction techniques, is a method that invites you to turn your attention inward, focusing sequentially on different parts of your body. This practice encourages a state of heightened awareness and presence, allowing you to deepen your connection with your physical self. Imagine your body as a vessel that's been tirelessly working, moment after moment, day after day. It's been supporting you, enabling you to engage with the world. The body scan meditation is your chance to say thank you, to acknowledge each part of your body, and to honor its contribution to your life. To begin this meditation, find a comfortable position where you can relax. You might choose to lay down or sit in a chair, whatever feels best for you. Then, close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you exhale, start at the top of your head and gradually move your attention down through your body. From your scalp to your toes, acknowledge each body part, each sensation, each emotion. Perhaps you'll notice a tightness in your shoulders or a warmth in your hands. Maybe you'll feel a tingling in your feet or a heaviness in your heart. Whatever you notice, simply acknowledge it without judgment. This is not about changing anything or fixing anything. It's about noticing, about being present with what is. The benefits of body scan meditation are numerous. It can bolster your mind-body connection, cultivate a sense of inner peace, and even enhance your ability to manage stress. It's a practice that can be used at any time, whether you're feeling tense after a long day or you're simply looking to start your morning with a sense of calm. This technique is a great way to reconnect with your body and reduce stress. So why not give it a try? Remember, your body is always there, always supporting you. It's time to show it some appreciation, to say thank you. And what better way to do that than with a body scan meditation? Our third technique is mindful eating, which can transform your relationship with food. Mindful eating is a practice that involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. It's about noticing the colors, smells, textures, flavors, temperatures, and even the sounds of our food. It's about slowing down and savoring every bite and recognizing our responses to food without getting caught up in judgment. So, why should we practice mindful eating? Well, it has a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it helps us become aware of our eating habits, allowing us to make healthier choices. Secondly, it aids in digestion, as mindful eating encourages slower eating, which can lead to better digestion and absorption of nutrients. And thirdly, it fosters a healthier relationship with food, deterring mindless overeating and emotional eating. Now, how can we incorporate mindful eating into our everyday life? It's simpler than you might think. First, start by eating slower. Take time to chew your food properly. This not only aids in digestion, but also allows you to truly taste and enjoy your food. Next, try eating in silence. This might seem odd, but it can help you focus on the food and the act of eating without the distractions of electronics or conversations. Also, consider the quality of your food. Choose fresh, wholesome ingredients that nourish your body. Appreciate the effort that went into preparing your meal. Finally, listen to your body. Eat when you're physically hungry and stop when you're full. It's easy to overeat when we're not paying attention, but by focusing on your hunger and fullness cues, you can eat just the right amount for your body. Remember, mindful eating isn't about restrictions or dieting. It's about experiencing food more intensely and enjoying the process of eating. Mindful eating can not only reduce stress, but also enhance your enjoyment of food. Before we summarize, check out the description box below for our recommended health products. We've handpicked these items for you, as they complement the techniques we've covered today beautifully. You'll find resources that aid in deep breathing, body scan meditation, mindful eating, and more. These are tools that can help you on your journey to a more relaxed and balanced emotional state. Don't miss out on these health-enhancing goodies. Now let's wrap things up. Let's recap what we've learned today about mindfulness-based stress reduction techniques. We began our journey into mindfulness by understanding what it is. Mindfulness is a form of meditation where you focus your mind on the present moment, accepting it without judgment. We then delved into the world of mindfulness-based stress reduction, a technique designed to help us manage and reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Our first technique was deep breathing, a simple yet powerful method that helps to calm the mind and body. By focusing on the breath, we can create a bridge between our body and mind, helping us to stay present and aware. It's a technique you can use anywhere, anytime, to bring about a sense of calm and relaxation. Next, we explored the body scan meditation technique. This technique involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, observing any sensations, tensions, or discomfort. The purpose is not to change or relax your body, but to build awareness of the various sensations and to develop a sense of presence. This can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing chronic pain or tension. Our journey of mindfulness then took us to the realm of mindful eating. This technique is about fully experiencing the process of eating. It's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and appreciating the food we eat. This practice can help us develop a healthier relationship with food and can also aid digestion and absorption of nutrients. Remember, these techniques are not about achieving a certain state or feeling, but about being present, aware, and accepting of the current moment. It's about noticing what's happening right now without trying to change it. It's about being kind to ourselves, even in the face of stress and anxiety. Each of these techniques can be practiced individually, or they can be combined for a more comprehensive approach to stress reduction. And remember, like any skill, mindfulness takes practice. So be patient with yourself and try to incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. And let's not forget our wonderful health products that we've recommended in the description box below. They can be an excellent complement to your mindfulness practice, aiding in relaxation and emotional balance. Mindfulness-based stress reduction is a powerful tool that can help us navigate through life's ups and downs. By learning to stay present and accepting of each moment, we can reduce stress, improve our mental health, and enhance our overall quality of life. Remember, stress doesn't have to control your life. With these techniques, you can take back the reins. So why not start today? Take a deep breath, become aware of your body, and savor your next meal. The journey to a more mindful, less stressful life is just a breath away. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. We're all on this journey together, navigating the waves of stress while seeking peace and balance in our lives. If this video was a useful guide for you, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button. It helps us know we're on the right track. While you're at it, go ahead and click subscribe. By doing so, you won't miss out on other valuable content we have lined up for you. We're all about providing you with the tools you need to live a more relaxed, balanced life. And of course, we'd love to hear from you. So don't forget to leave a comment. Share with us your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you might have. Remember to check out other videos on our channel. They're filled with more helpful tips and techniques for managing stress and promoting emotional balance. Thank you for watching. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to rule it. Stay mindful, stay calm, and take care.